Tire balancing is removing all four tires and checking the weight distribution while the tire is spinning on an axle. An out-of-balance tire can cause excessive wear due to the wheel hopping on the ground. This is most noticeable at highway speeds. It can cause a distraction to the driver and can prematurely wear the tire. This is generally felt in the steering wheel and in the seat and can be a distraction to drivers, most commonly at highway speed. We use wheel weights to compensate for imperfections in the wheel and the tire. These can be removed and added to find a perfect balance in the tire. The result is a smoother ride on highway speeds and can prolong the life of your investment. Tire balancing is performed whenever we replace a tire, or if there is an alignment issue or a complaint, vibration, or other concerns.